So hours before the Bihar verdict, it seems that RJD Neta has been gone to such an extent that there have been veiled threats that have been issued, saying that if many candidates were forcibly defeated in 2020, and he says if any person is defeated whom the public has given mandate, then you will witness what happened in Nepal, in Bangladesh and Sri Lanka, and that would be seen on the roads of Bihar as well. Listen into this veiled threat.
जो कुकृत आपने वर्ष 2020 में किया कि 4-4 घंटा आपने काउंटिंग रोकवा दिया, 4-4 घंटा किसी को बारे में किसी को कुछ पता नहीं था, वो काम अगर इस बार होगा तो या तो मेरा उम्मीदवार बाहर आएगा या वो जो रिटर्निंग अफसर होगा वो बाहर आएगा। पूरी जनता सड़क पर आएगी और वो दृश्य देखने को मिलेगा जो आपको नेपाल में देखने को मिला है। और पूरी जनता इस चीज से आशंकित है कि ये बेईमान लोग जिस चुनाव आयोग के बारे में साख पर उसका बट्टा लग चुका है, जितने रिटर्निंग अफसर हैं, किस तरह से उनकी पोस्टिंग की गई है, तो यह पूरी जनता आशंकित है कि कहीं न कहीं आप बेईमानी कीजिएगा तो आपको भी नेपाल का दृश्य यहाँ पर देखने को मिलेगा।
Well, Arunil, desperate attempt, should we call that, on part of certain leaders there of the opposition invoking Nepal and what happened there as a protest if they don't win?
Well, BJP clearly is saying that this is an excuse that has been floated by the RJD also now. Earlier, they were blaming Rahul Gandhi and the Congress party, saying that they are not strong on the ground and that's why these vote chori allegations have been made. And now RJD also joining the bandwagon. This is what the BJP is saying. Clear threat also been given by this RJD Neta, Sunil Singh, who's saying that earlier many of our candidates were defeated, particularly if that happens again. A situation like Nepal, Bangladesh will develop in Bihar as well. Now, with me are some of these voters. We'll try and speak to them, try and gauge their mood as well. Now, he's a RJD supporter. आपको लगता है क्या वोट चोरी भी एक कोई मुद्दा है? ऐसा लगता है?
हाँ, मुद्दा तो है। मुद्दा है वोट चोरी का।
आपको लगता है वोट चोरी होती है?
हाँ।
आप लोग को क्या लगता है? आप लोग को क्या? आप लोग सब दोस्त हो, आप पार्टी में अलग-अलग
देखिए सर,
हाँ,
वोट चोरी तो सिर्फ
आपको इनको क्या कहना है?
नहीं, वोट चोरी तो ऐसा कुछ मुद्दा नहीं है। जो राहुल गांधी जो भी अपना दिए हैं बयान SIR मुद्दा को लेकर, सब फालतू है। वो उनसे कुछ होना जाना कुछ है नहीं सर, वो अपना सिर्फ टाइम
Well,
पास
it is
किए
the
हैं।
people, the janta there of Bihar that will decide. Of course, they have already decided. The results would be out tomorrow. Arunil will be joining us live in the morning tomorrow at 6 a.m. And so will be the other team of our reporters there giving you the live coverage and the fastest and the most accurate numbers. So 6 a.m. at the time. Tomorrow morning, we're going to begin our special broadcast. With that, we head into a short break.